All right, hey guys, so this is just a tutorial on how to write this poem. I know that it's going to be a little difficult for y'all. Just know that I am taking it as a completion grade. I want you to get creative if you can, but if not, do not get too serious or worked up. You can always text me if you have a question on how to complete this assignment, but this video is to help you. So, the first prompt that you have is if I should have a daughter. So, that's right here, right? And then I leave comments right here. How will your relationship be with your child? Will they call you a different name? How will you treat them, right? Because she says that she'll call her that instead of mom, she's going to call her point B because she knows no matter what, she can always come back to me, right? So, if I should have a daughter, she will always know that I'll be there for her, right? That's another way that you could say what she just said, right? Second prompt, and she's going to learn. So, what are you going to teach him or her to get through life? What about the hard times? Are you going to tell them to stand up when life knocks you down or to hit their knees and pray for God's mercy? What are you going to tell them? And then it goes into, I'll tell her, what lessons will you teach him or her? What do you think is important for them to learn to be a kind human being? What are lessons that your parents have taught you that you know are going to take you for the rest of your life? I want her to look at the world through blank. So, how do you want him or her to look at the world, right? Do you want him to see positive, negative, silly, serious? How do you want them to look at the world? You will put the star in starting over. Okay, so where am I? So you're gonna give them a compliment. So what she was saying here is that life, you start over and over numerous times, right? But that she's gonna be a star at that she's gonna excel at being a star and starting over, right? So maybe give him or her a compliment. How do you want them to be? What do you want them to achieve? And then you kind of say a negative about you on this next one. And yes, on a scale from 1 to over trusting, I'm pretty damn naive. But I want her to know this world is made out of sugar. So you could say, and yes, I've made my mistakes. That's why I'm here. Remember, and you're going to write things for them to always keep in mind. And your voice is small. So tell them that they can change the world. So she says, but don't ever stop singing, right? So, like I said, these are just kind of prompts for you to walk through and to give you ideas. If you have any other questions, just let me know.